Hello! I'd like to show you how I make a carrot cake for Christmas. It's my family's favorite cake and I bake it every year.
The ingredients I'll use are as follows: eggs, sugar, oil, carrot, nuts, raisins, bananas, cinnamon, flour, baking soda, mascarpone cheese, and cream.
All of them need to be in room temperature.
Firstly, we grate carrots into small pieces.
Then we cut bananas into squares.
We beat the eggs into foam and slowly add oil.
Next, we add carrots, bananas, nuts and raisins and we mix it.
We sift the flour with baking soda into the bowl.
We put the mass into the baking mold and bake it in the oven for an hour.
After the cake cools down, we cut it into 2 slices and layer it with cream.
We make whipped cream by beating mascarpone cheese with cream.
And the cake is ready. Enjoy your meal.
We wish you a Merry Christmas spent with your family, a Happy New Year, a lot of health, and a smile on your face when you eat the delicious carrot cake.